Hi, this is Jonathan, and I want to give you a really quick overview of the auditing module on Nimonik. Nimonik offers a global standards and regulatory compliance software. This allows you to organize and control your requirements across your entire organization. Part of that is auditing. Just a little bit about Nimonik. We're based in Montreal, Canada with 50 staff. We have offices in the United States, across Canada, and in China, along with partners all around the world to help support your team. We have 800 customers that are using our tool to ensure compliance in their operations. There's a number of modules, but today we're going to focus on number 5, auditing. The auditing module allows you to conduct audits based on standards or regulatory requirements, as well as your own internal audit checklist that you might have developed. You can audit on mobile devices such as iPad, iPhone, and Android, and generate audit reports. Let's get started. What you see here is the web-based platform. You have a number of facilities. Each of these facilities has 3 core modules: audits, facility equipment, and registers. Right now, we're going to focus just on auditing. You can create audits in one of 2 ways, either from the registers where you've identified specific requirements that apply to this operation or this project, or from the audit templates at the top of the screen. If we click on audit templates here, you'll see a number of templates have been uploaded by this specific company. You can create your own audit templates, as well as use our database of audit templates that are available down here. If you want to start an audit template, such as a 9001 management system inspection, we can simply click on this, and we'll see the questions down here that have been created. You can simply click on create audit, or you can schedule an audit into the future and assign that to specific people. But let's go ahead and create an audit. I'm going to select the facility that I'm going to do my audit at. Let's say we do it at the corporate office. Which type of audit are we doing? What tags apply? And here we can put the title, who's doing the audit, and we'll select the categories of questions we want to include in this audit. This audit is now getting built, and you have a number of fields that you'll be able to fill in, and the questions will be populated in just a moment. You can then start this audit on the website by clicking here, entering your compliance assessment. Let's say we're complying here. If necessary, put in some findings and notes. You have links to reference and guidance material. Here you can drag and drop in files such as documents, images, or other information, and you can issue corrective actions. If you want to continue this audit on the mobile device, you can do that easily. Let's switch over to the mobile device now. Here we have the mobile device, which is available on iPad, iPhone, and Android. Here you have the audits that have already been started, followed by the audit templates. You can start an audit directly on the mobile device rather than through the website. You then have actions and equipment. The equipment allows you to identify high-risk piece of equipment or equipment that requires regular inspections and create checklists that are linked to that equipment. You can scan equipment barcodes and start your audits that way as well. Let's go into audits to see the audit that we just started on the website. I'm going to tap on audits, and here we see the 9001 management system inspection that was started on March 12th. I can click on that, and we'll see the first question is already answered because I answered it on the website. I can simply go to the second question, enter my assessment. Let's say non-complying. I can enter some findings. These can be dictated, or you can have a saved list of findings that you use regularly. So we can dictate some notes, such as we are dictating notes right now, and this is going into the audit findings, period. That allows you to move really quickly. You can then snap photos directly with the telephone or with the tablet, and we can take a photo of my desk. You can then use this photo, circle specific items that are problematic, and save it. You can do audio recordings and issue corrective actions. You can also link this back to a specific piece of equipment. Once you've done an audit, once you've completed your audit, you can complete it by tapping on complete in the bottom right-hand corner and sign off on it. That will then lock the audit and prevent further people from modifying it. It creates a paper trail of who's completed the audit, the date, and the time. All of this data is then synchronized back to the website where you can generate a report. You can also generate a report directly from the mobile device simply by tapping on report at the bottom of the screen, and this will give you access to the report. Let's go back to the website to see what that report looks like. Here we have this audit that we started on the web, and we just completed a second item of it on the mobile device. If I refresh this page, we'll see that item has been synchronized to the website. And if I click on it, I'll see the image that was captured during the audit. I can simply click on report here to generate an audit report of this specific audit. All the data here would be completed by your team, your logo, and various charts, graphs are available, and as well as the evidence you've collected during the audit. We have a variety of comparative reports that allow you to compare audits over time, to compare trends and other items. But very simply, the audit allows you to take your requirements, conduct an audit, schedule it, complete it, and have all the data centralized in one location. This is a very powerful way to ensure that your operations are constantly staying in compliance. This can be based on management system standards, engineering standards, laws, regulations, or just best practices. If you'd like to learn more about our auditing platform, please contact us, and we'd be happy to set up a personalized demonstration for your team.